In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import budgets in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to locate the budget manager, use Xero's template, and bring your numbers in cleanly and confidently. Start on your Xero dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Reporting. This is your hub for all financial reports and tools related to your organization's performance. Next, choose All Reports to open the full list. This page can get busy, so using the search bar is the quickest way to find what you need. Type budget into the search bar and select Budget Manager. This is where you'll manage existing budgets and set up new ones. Inside Budget Manager, look for the option to import. We're going to use Xero's import workflow so your data lands in the right place without manual entry. On the import page, click Download Template. Xero provides a ready-made file that matches the structure its system expects. When prompted, choose whether you want the template as a CSV or an Excel file. Pick the format you're most comfortable editing. The layout is the same, only the file type differs. Open the template and start editing it with your budget figures. A few tips before you type. Keep the header row exactly as it is, so Xero can read each column correctly. Make sure account names or codes match your chart of accounts in Xero exactly. Spelling and spacing matter. Fill out the monthly columns that align with your financial year. It's fine to leave months blank if there's no budget for them. Use plain numbers only, no currency symbols or special characters, and avoid complex formulas. If you do use formulas while building, copy and paste values before saving. When you're done, save the file in the same format you downloaded. Head back to the import screen in Xero, click Browse, and select your completed file from your computer. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the right organization and the correct budget period in the interface, if those options are visible to you. Now click Import. Xero will process the file and validate your data. If anything doesn't match, like an account that doesn't exist, you'll see an error message explaining what needs attention. Just update your template, save, and import again. When the import succeeds, your numbers will appear in Budget Manager, ready to review and use in your reports. That's it. You've imported your budget into Xero using the template method. Keep a copy of the file you uploaded for version control and repeat this process whenever you need to refresh your budget for a new period.